On the way towards Dubai Mall, you can see on the right side there are multiple lifters here which can enhance your power of walking. Double X. हाँ जी, उसामा भाई कैसा फील कर रहे हैं इतना चल के? अहमद भाई आप बताएं कुछ।
यार छाड़ देगा
क्या छोड़ दें?
बहुत बांधो फील।
Okay, you see the things here. Okay, let's see what's Dubai Mall straight. Go straight. We need to go straight towards Dubai Mall, and on the right side of Dubai Mall there is Burj Khalifa. Yes, yes. Burj Khalifa. Beautiful scene of Dubai.
Bro, it's not a Burj Khalifa, it's a Mia Khalifa.
What you are talking about? Then you can thought that these wording are not allowed in vlogging. So don't be avoid for these vloggings. This is Burj Khalifa, not Mia Khalifa. Okay?
It's Mia Khalifa.
Okay. This is the Dubai Mall. You can view. The guys capture the pictures, and there is the Prada shop here. And the scene is so much amazing for me. And these two guys come with me. And these two guys come with me. Osama and Ahmed. Ahmed. In English, you can call Ahmed, not Ahmed. Okay. So there is too much walking distance, about 1.5 kilometer from metro station to Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall. Now you can see the Dubai Mall board, and we will enter in Dubai Mall with just few steps. Okay. There are huge crowd here. Pakistani, Bengalis and Indians are working here. And there are Western Union and cash shops here. So much busy life is here. Even nobody have a single time to talk with other and ask something. Everybody working day and night here to earn handsome amount and send back to their countries. So there is not such as easy life here. These are Pakhtuns here, standing Faludas and many other deserts here. And I think this is the starting of the Dubai Mall. And the traditional dress is here. Oversized sofa and the full white dress. This is traditional dress. Night dress shop. This is the fragrance shop. And this is jewelry shop. You can collect your pictures here, which is captured by photographers in Dubai Mall or in the Burj Khalifa. So these are ring lights and mobile shop is here. So much fun here.